There you go.
Good morning, adventurers.
Hey there.
So we've left the island of Limbongan and headed over back to the main island of Bali and to the village of Changu. It's hard to keep all the town names straight and stuff here.
I know. Well, technically we're kind of like Canggu, Kuta triangle, like in between the two.
There is known for having rice paddies everywhere. You'll see them as you're just kind of walking around. It's also known for surfing, so there's some epic beaches. We may go out and try to hit some beginner waves because we are not expert surfers by any means.
No, we keep trying to go surfing and it hasn't worked. The weather's a little bad this morning, but I'm confident it's gonna clear up and we're gonna nail it later.
If you notice, we are actually pet sitting 4 amazing, adorable dogs right now.
The sweetest.
We're actually staying at this awesome villa completely for free. We didn't have to pay a dime for it.
Not a dime.
Yeah, but we're doing it in exchange for pet sitting these lovable little pups. Delicious. This one's called Delicious.
The cutest name
She's so
ever.
cute. There's so many dogs all over the place here.
They bark, but they don't bite, luckily.
Yeah. There's a dog on the roof over there. Hey, buddy. Dogs everywhere. We are doing this with Trusted House Sitters. They're actually sponsoring today's video. And we're going to tell you guys more about how that works and how we got this villa for free in just a bit. For now, we're going to take these little pups on their morning walk. Yes. This walk is super cool. They actually take us through this little rice field. There's just a path. You can walk right through it.
It's absolutely
super
beautiful.
Cool.
I don't know that I would have known you could walk through it, but our host assured us this is the route. There's a river over there that they like to walk down to, and they know right when they get to it, they're like, time to turn around and go home.
All right, lead the way, Delicious.
Also, you guys, it is 6 a.m. right now. The dogs woke us up, all of them, all at once. Yep. They do not like sleeping in. And
they're like little alarm clocks.
Yeah, they were all like booping us on the hands, like making little funny noises. They were ready to go on this walk. But what a great alarm clock, right? Okay.
Welcome to our little Changu villa, you guys.
And like we said, we got this place for free.
For free, y'all. Well, in return for looking after these little cuties. They're actually all just sleeping around us in a circle right now. I don't know how they can sleep so much. It's crazy. This is basically what they do all day. They just sit sprawled out on the floor. But like we mentioned, we are doing this through Trusted House Sitters. It is a service that connects hosts who have animals who need to travel for vacation or for work or whatever with people like us who are travelers and animal lovers who want to be able to see the world but have unique experiences, more local experiences, and also not pay so much.
People always ask us how we afford to travel full-time, and accommodations is for sure probably our biggest expense. So being able to do this, to watch animals in exchange for free stays, is one amazing way that you can travel like us and keep costs down. So technically, we're here to do a job, but is watching this little cutie a job? I don't know about that.
Definitely not.
Right, Stella?
The way Trusted House Sitters works is we basically applied to some house sits. Once we got accepted to our house sit, we had a call with the owner. Rachel is the owner of this place, so we were able to get to know her. She literally did a video chat with us and walked us through this entire place, introduced us to the dogs, taught us how to feed them.
Feeding time, like where to go on the walks, showed the layout of her home.
Yeah, it was awesome because when we got here, we felt like we already knew the place.
So the process is really easy. You just sign up for an annual membership, whether you are a sitter or you're looking for sitters. And then if you're wanting to sit, you just apply to whatever house sit you find. They actually have members in over 130 countries.
A lot of the house sits that you're gonna find on Trusted House Sitters, a lot of times they're in really local neighborhoods. This one, for example, if you walk around this area, you guys saw this morning, there are nothing but locals around here. So you get a really legit Bali experience.
We actually have a link in the description below for you guys. And if you click on that, it'll give you a discount on your annual membership.
So you can click that, sign up, start looking for stays, applying for stays, and hopefully getting a stay.
We've never owned a dog ourselves, and it was amazing having 4 puppies just sleeping with us last night. They were so cuddly and sweet. It's just been completely different. We're cat people usually, but dogs I think have won us over.
You guys, it is so hot out here. I'm literally having to stop between all these different clips that we're doing and go into the room back there where we have AC.
Poor guy, he's dying.
I'm sweating so bad. But we are going to chill in the AC and then we're going to head into town for some breakfast. But before we do that, we should do maybe a proper intro for the dogs, for the pups.
Introduce you guys to the gang.
I found Delicious.
She's our little special girl, but she's so sweet.
A lot of hosts will allow you to use their car, or in this case, use their scooter. But Rachel was nice enough to let us use it.
This thing is much nicer, I feel like, than the one we were using on Limbongan.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Pretty excited. Should be an easy, little less than 2 mile drive. Eric's gonna be a champ though.
We're gonna keep it very safe.
All right, coffee, here we come.
See ya.
We made it to the avocado factory, and there is a lot of avocado on the menu. We're actually having a super hard time deciding because it's now past noon, and as you guys know, we pretty much got up at 6 a.m. so we are starving, and everything looks and smells so good.
Yeah, this place, that's their theme, is that everything has avocado in it.
Oh, I am all for it too. Our food has arrived, and I made the most delicious decision. I did their summer veggie bowl. It's just this beautiful, colorful salad, super light. I'm very excited for it.
It's huge.
I know, it's so big, and look how beautiful the avocados are. We knew they were gonna do this. We looked online and saw that they do these. They're called avocado roses, but they're so pretty.
Allison was like, we need to learn how to do this so we can make brunch for people and
impress them and make it, maybe they'll think it's better than it actually is since we're not very good chefs.
But what I'm most excited to try are these little bad boys down here. These are avocado fries. Really, they're just breaded and deep fried wedges of avocado. Ooh, they're really brittle. And she told us they're super hot, so we've been letting them sit and they're still really hot. We've got a couple different types of mayo. One of these is a spicy mayo. I'm assuming this one. The other one, I don't remember what it is, but I'm gonna go
maybe
for the
it's
spicy.
avocado mayo?
Avocado and avocado? Will that break the universe? All right, get a little bit of that spicy mayo. I think it's like chipotle mayo or something. It is actually absolutely delicious. The spice from the sauce is awesome. It's a really interesting texture because it's soft and gooey like avocado is, but there's still crunchiness from the breaded layer on the outside. I thought the whole thing was just gonna be soggy because it's kind of soft, and it's really tasty. It's really subtle avocado flavor. I also ended up getting this croissant because it just sounded delicious, but it's basically just avocado, cheese, some sesame seeds, and a croissant. So probably not gonna taste test that because, I mean, look at it. There's no way it's gonna be bad.
You could customize it though and add other stuff like bacon and salmon and things.
Oh yeah. All right, we're nice and full. Next up, we are going to try our hand at surfing over at Changu Beach, which is just nearby.
I'm scared and nervous and excited all at the same time.
Wish us luck. We are low on cash for the board rental, and as you walk around the streets of Bali, you'll see these little kiosks that are basically tiny little air-conditioned rooms. They have an AC unit up there.
Oh, it's so nice. So if you ever need air conditioning desperately, just sneak into one of these, and then you can also get cash.
Success. So we made it to the beach. There's actually parking for like $2,000, which is very, very cheap for scooters, which is great.
And then there's just a bunch of little cabana type things set up on the beach where you can rent surfboards. They're only $50,000, which is a few USD, like 4 something
Seems
USD.
like a decent deal.
Seems okay.
For 2 hours.
The water looks okay. I don't know. We haven't done this in a while.
Yeah, they have a place for you to leave your stuff too, and I'm always a little sketchy about that, but
It's gonna be fine.
let's do it. Let's go surfing.
Okay.
All right, we have switched to the GoPro. The waves have gotten a little bit more rough, but I think we can enter here, and then there should be some pretty easy waves out there. It's just the break right here is pretty crazy. We're still beginners, so we're gonna take it easy out there.
Yeah, we're just gonna go slow. Maybe I'll just paddle out and hang out on my surfboard for an hour.
We'll do good. Let's do it.
Right.
Well, that didn't really go according to plan.
I'm a little sour right now. The waves getting out to the nice beginner waves are insane.
Yeah.
So we went out, seemed like everything was going okay. A big-ish wave was coming. We're like, okay, hop on our boards. Oh my God, you guys. So I got pummeled. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Got thrown on the ground. And I was like, ow, that sucked. Got literally thrown back to shore. I was like, we're not gonna give up, we're gonna go again. And I got this one.
Yep.
So now I'm just sitting here watching everyone else die from the safety of the sand.
Yeah, it's funny. There's a lot of people trying to do like surf lessons out here, and they're all getting tossed around and beat up, but it's a bit too hardcore waves for us, so maybe we'll sit this round out.
Yeah.
We tried though. So surfing was a bit of a fail, but I did almost catch a few waves out there. We've only been a few times, and these were pretty advanced waves for what we're used to, so we'll get the hang of it eventually.
Yeah, we just didn't realize that you could time the waves to like get out there nicer. It was still a struggle, but
Yeah, I'm so tired. Oh man, surfing is such a workout. Mad respect to all the surfers out there.
I'm just gonna pretend like it was a 50,000 rupiah lesson in humility for me.
But we're gonna hop on the bike and we're trying to find a route where we can, there's really heavy traffic according to Google, so we're trying to find a route where we can bypass that. But yeah, I think we're just gonna head home. I'm calling it a success. Maybe it wasn't, but I'm still calling it that.
I am not, but it was interesting.
We hit some crazy traffic, you guys, on this road. It was all free and clear until that. Jeez, it's nuts.
Google Maps wouldn't show us the route we wanted home, which was through here, and now we understand why.
Yeah, because it did not want us to be exactly where we are right now. Whew, we are in it now, guys. This is a tight squeeze. We are right in the middle of the traffic. It is some crazy stop and go stuff. Jeez, so many people have already tapped my mirrors with theirs, but no wrecks yet.
We figured out why the road's gone in a bunch of places. So everything goes down to one lane for like half of this road.
Made it back. These dogs are going nuts. Allison's already in the pool. Hey guys.
I'm so covered in sand from the ocean. I just had to like rinse off. But it's time for their walk and they are ready.
Yes.
Girl,
Ready to go outside?
Let's go.
Okay, go.
Let's go.
Oh jeez.
Oh no. The door?
Georgie.
Oh.
Whoa.
Who's hungry for dinner?
We got takeaway, y'all. Or delivery.
Delivery, yeah. We were not feeling like going out after today. And we got a lot of work to do. But that's perfect, because then we can just chill here at our villa, enjoy our delicious food.
Enjoy our little pups.
Yeah, having a night in with the family. We ended up getting Indian food. I got some sort of, I can't remember the name of it, some veggie curry, I believe. So many vegetables today. Oh, it smells so good.
Check it out. This place is called BBC. I didn't know the BBC did Indian food.
Apparently, that's their specialty.
Just kidding. It's the Bali Balti Center. We're also working on planning our upcoming Oman adventures and Sri Lanka. But there's a lot of this country to cover. I'm not sure how much of it we'll see, but we're working on it.
Yeah, same with Sri Lanka. There's so many different amazing sites. We're having a really hard time coming up with itineraries.
It is bedtime, y'all. We have all 4 of the pups in here. This is Stella here, licking herself right now. We've got Georgie down there.
Got Jose.
Jose, and then Little Delicious down there. But this is going to be our final adventure here in Bali. We are heading to Sri Lanka.
Woo! We're still finalizing all of our plans, but it should involve a bit of a road trip, a very special road trip.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
Yeah, it's a completely new country for us though, so we cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun.
Little behind the scenes, we were actually stressing out a bit tonight because we just really have a lot of planning to do, and we've been filming so much and have internet issues, so we haven't been able to get caught up.
Just traveling so much lately that it's been really hard to plan ahead. We've been planning like the night before for the next day, so
yeah, and that's not never a good position to be in.
No.
So, but we're doing the best we can.
It'll be great. It's going to be so much fun. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.